What we have here is a completely disassembled Game Boy from 1998 and an iPhone X from 2017. Now I don't know about you, but when I take a look at these disassembled frames, it reminds me of why I started this tech channel and why I love technology so much. If you take, for example, this iPhone X, it's hard to believe that just only a few years ago, that's where the Face ID started and some of the new features that Apple has to offer that they still use today. In the Game Boy, think of the resolution back then and what it is now. So this is part of history that allows you to archive it and put it on your wall, and it's here to stay for me. If you ever wonder what a phone looks like inside, look at this breakdown. It's showing you the front camera with the Face ID option, showing you the earpiece, the logic board that makes everything work, the SIM card, the camera system, and the battery assembly. And the great thing about these frames is that you can buy this already put together, or if you have a device, you can buy a kit that has all these labels on it, so you can use it as a project or a learning activity. And let's not forget about the Game Boy Color, where you can see access of the D-pad as well as your selector button. You can see it had a huge speaker system in it, and that allowed you to get good volume. And let's not forget about the CPU, where you inserted all the favorite games that you like. There's also an assembly that's showing you the battery cage. So overall, the Game Boy had a lot of moving parts, but it was a fun device to play on. And they have plenty of other models that you can choose from to take a little piece of history and put it on your wall like this. And if you're an Apple user, they have the first generation of iPhone, the iPhone 3, the iPhone 4, the iPhone 5, iPhone 6. Let's not forget about the iPhone 7, and they also have one for the iPhone 8. As you can see, they have a full generation of Apple products. So if you started on the 4S, you can get that. And if you have the Apple Watch, check this out. They even make one for that. Now let's take a look at the Game Boys. If you really want to go old school, you can get the Game Boy Pocket or the Game Boy Advance. As far as the color models, there's teal, you have red, you have green, and there's a yellow one available. The last thing I want to share with you guys is that this is the box that the iPhone came in. And if you open it up, you can see it has their logo right there. And if I pull that out, you can see that it has like some plexiglass in here. And the reason that's in here is because I removed it because filming in this room, there's a lot of glare, so I don't want that to affect any of my future shots. But if you guys are interested, I'll leave all the links in the description below. Plus, if you want to use the promotion code TechSteve, you can get additional 10% off. So, with that being said, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!